Hey guys, I'm going to show you something that probably a lot of people already know, but some people don't, and that is how to hotkey commands in Revit. And this works with any command that's already in Revit, or any custom commands, such as the ones that me or Zach made. So to do this, you need to go to View, and then you go to User Interface, Keyboard Shortcuts, and then you'll type in the commands you want to hotkey, such as shop plot. Click it, and then you'll be able to put in a new hotkey. So I just assigned SH to shop plot, or say copy units, and I can assign hotkey to that. I assigned CU. So I just assigned two new hotkeys, and so I go to elevation view, my test project, or how about a 3D view, and I type in CU. See, it did the copy unit command with the hotkey. And yep,